Smutgrass is an invasive bunching grass known to cause problems on ranges and pastures. Its aggressive spread in warm climates easily overtakes turf, but it provides no nutritional value to grazing animals like horses or cows. In this video, we'll go over how to identify smutgrass, how to get rid of smutgrass, and how to prevent smutgrass from growing back on your property. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Smutgrass is a warm season grass that grows in slender clumps reaching up to 3 feet in height. The leaf blades are very narrow and taper to a point. They grow up to 1 foot in length, up to 0.2 inches in width, and the sheaths of the blades are hairless. When these plants flower, their inflorescences seem like spikes, but are actually very narrow panicles. Smutgrass is often infected with a specific fungus, causing the flowering heads to appear black. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Smutgrass is a warm season perennial weed that grows well in compact soil in humid climates. Smutgrass will start to grow actively in the spring, then it will produce flowers and seeds from July to September. When looking for smutgrass, be on the lookout for any uneven growth and clumping or blackened seed heads. Common sites where smutgrass may be found include, but are not limited to, pastures, residential lawns, and along roadsides. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. When we're talking about smutgrass growing in turf where it's not desired, the best control methods come in the form of prevention. However, when smutgrass creeps or spreads into areas where it shouldn't be growing, there are products you can use to eliminate this weed now. Check out Roundup Pro. This non-selective herbicide will eliminate any plant it is applied to and is labeled to provide suppression of smutgrass and other weeds. To treat perennial plants like smutgrass, mix 5.2 to 10.5 fluid ounces of the product into 1 gallon of water to achieve the label's required 4 to 8% solution ratio. We recommend you mix and apply your solution in a handheld pump sprayer. Be sure to mark this sprayer for non-selective herbicide use only to prevent cross-contamination in the future. To keep track of where you've applied this non-selective herbicide, we recommend you mix a product like Vision Pro Max indicator dye into your solution. Vision Pro Max will dye your solution blue so you can see exactly where you've applied your herbicide. You'll add 1/10 of a fluid ounce of dye per 1 gallon of solution. Do not use any other additives, such as surfactants, with your solution. Spot treat any weed you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Follow-up treatments with this application of Roundup Pro may be made in 30-day intervals. If you're spraying smutgrass and turf, the surrounding grass may be injured and the area may need to be seeded. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. To stop new smutgrass from growing from seed, check out Dimension 2EW herbicide. This product has both post-emergent and pre-emergent applications, but we'll focus on its pre-emergent uses for now. Pre-emergent herbicides create chemical barriers that stop weeds from sprouting or emerging. Mix 0.73 fluid ounces of the product into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Broadcast the solution over your treatment area, then after 6 hours, water the area with about ½ an inch of irrigation. In addition to pre-emergent herbicides, we also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass is better able to choke out weeds and prevent them from establishing. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop smutgrass from establishment, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.